From the moment man first looked to the heavens, we have dreamt of flight, but as our reach into the skies grew, so too did the stakes. Air forces are more than just wings and warplanes. They are the sharp end of a nation's might, projecting power across vast distances. In modern warfare, air dominance is the foundation of national security, global influence, and power projection. The sky is no longer just a battlefield, it's a multi-dimensional combat space. One that integrates space warfare, cyber disruption, satellite intelligence, AI drones, stealth, and precision strike capabilities. The nations that command the skies can deter conflict before it begins. They dictate terms during the war and reshape geopolitics in the aftermath. In this arena of technological marvels and strategic complexities, 5 air forces stand apart. They are the apex predators of the skies, each honed by their own unique doctrines, driven by their own ambitions, and armed to the teeth with the most advanced weaponry mankind has ever devised. These are the top 5 air forces shaping global dominance. From the Nevada desert to the skies over the Middle East, the roar of American air power echoes across the globe. The United States Air Force, a force built on a doctrine of global vigilance, global reach, global power. It is not simply designed to win wars, but to prevent them, to ensure that no rival can ever dream of gaining air dominance, and the reach of the USAF is truly global. It possesses the unique ability to carry out operations in multiple continents simultaneously, all while maintaining complete command of space, cyberspace, and air. This is a force that prides itself on precision, prioritizing precision strike and low-risk, high-impact operations, working seamlessly with other branches of the military to deliver overwhelming force. But the USAF is not resting on its laurels. It is constantly evolving, always looking to the horizon. The future path is clear, transitioning to next-gen air dominance, or NGAD. Imagine a force equipped with 6th-generation fighters, autonomous drone swarms, advanced AI, and hypersonic weapons. This is the future the USAF is building, and it is a future few would dare challenge. Across the vast expanse of Russia, from the icy plains of Siberia to the forested borders of Europe, lies a different kind of air power, the Russian Aerospace Forces, or VKS. These are not wings designed for global patrols, but for regional dominance. To make the cost of conflict in Europe, the Arctic, and Central Asia utterly unthinkable. The VKS doctrine is one of overmatched deterrence, to possess the firepower to inflict such devastating consequences that any adversary would think twice before engaging. Long-range missile delivery, integrated air defenses, and a focus on shock and awe strikes are the hallmarks of this force, and the future of the VKS is no less formidable. Production of the Su-57 stealth fighter is ramping up, while the PAC-DE stealth bomber lurks on the horizon, a silent, deadly shadow in development. Add to this a clear focus on hypersonic weapons like the Kinzhal, and the message is clear: challenge Russia in the skies at your peril. Chapter 3. China's PLAAF, the Rising Dragon's Shield. In the east, a sleeping giant has awoken. China's economic rise is mirrored by the rapid modernization of its military, and at the forefront of this transformation is the PLAAF, the People's Liberation Army Air Force. Their goal, to build an impenetrable wall in the sky. The PLAAF is a key component of China's broader anti-access/area denial strategy, or A2/AD. The message is clear: make it nearly impossible for enemies to operate near Chinese borders or the critical South China Sea. But this is not simply a defensive force. The PLAAF is rapidly transforming into a force capable of winning wars far beyond China's borders. The future path of the PLAAF is paved with cutting-edge technology. The H-20 strategic stealth bomber, a formidable weapon shrouded in secrecy, promises to extend China's reach far beyond its current limits. Add to this the rapid development of AI-integrated drones and the integration of deep-sea and space-based warfare systems, and we see a force poised to challenge the existing world order. Chapter 4. Indian Air Force Guardians of the Subcontinent. High in the Himalayas, where snow-capped peaks pierce the heavens, the Indian Air Force, or IAF, stands guard. Facing the dual-front challenge of China and Pakistan, the IAF has been forged in the crucible of constant vigilance. This is a force built for multi-front conflict, rapid mobilization, and unmatched flexibility. What distinguishes the IAF is its unique blend of acquiring cutting-edge global technology while fostering indigenous innovation. This allows for a versatile and increasingly self-reliant force capable of adapting to diverse combat scenarios. The future of the IAF is focused on maintaining this edge. The HAL AMCA, a domestically developed stealth fighter, is a testament to India's growing technological prowess. Add to this the development of the CATS Warrior, AI-powered drone wingmen designed to augment fighter capabilities, and the indigenous Astra BVR missiles, and we see a force determined to control the skies over the subcontinent. Chapter 5, Royal Air Force, the precision scalpel of NATO. Though smaller in number than some, the Royal Air Force, the RAF, has a history as long and storied as any. This is not a force measured solely by the number of aircraft, but by strategic effect. The RAF acts as a precision scalpel in the NATO toolkit, designed to strike key targets, protect Allied airspace, and integrate seamlessly with partner forces. What sets the RAF apart is its unwavering commitment to technological advancement and its highly trained personnel. This is a force that understands that true air power lies not just in having the best equipment, but in having the best trained and most experienced men and women operating it. The future of the RAF is focused on retaining this qualitative edge. The Tempest project, an ambitious program to develop a sixth-generation fighter, is already underway. Imagine a fighter with a virtual cockpit, the ability to control swarm drones, and adaptive engines that can adjust their performance in flight. This is the future the RAF is building, a future where technology and human skill combine to devastating effect. The future of warfare is airborne. The world has always watched its skies with a mixture of awe and trepidation. But in the 21st century, the most decisive battles are no longer fought just on the ground. They're fought above us, in the air, in space, and in cyberspace, the domain of drones, of hypersonic missiles, of satellites that can see through clouds and strike with pinpoint accuracy. The world's top air forces are no longer judged only by the number of aircraft they possess, but by their ability to operate as strategic tools of deterrence, disruption, and domination. Each of these air forces is a reflection of its nation's strategic mind, military culture, and global ambitions. They are not just defenders of skies, they are architects of tomorrow's wars and guardians of today's geopolitical balance. As new technologies like hypersonics, quantum computing, and AI swarm drones redefine aerial warfare, only those who adapt will lead. These 5 are not just ready. They're already shaping the future of war.